Hi everybody, I'm Tiff Howie from Broom Boat Sales, and today we're going to take you on a full tour. One of our latest listings, in this here is a 2007 Aquafibre Alpha 44. She's powered by a single beater 50 horsepower hydraulic diesel engine and is in a stunning condition with tons of room. She features 8 berths with 3 heads compartments, and there's loads of room for all of the family to boat in style. So let's take a look. So we're going to start our tour on the outside of this Alpha 44, and at the back you're going to notice really easy access to the stern. So you've got a bit of bathing platform built in there, so you can walk straight from pontoon onto the boat, and then sort of aft well area which you can use as seating at the back. Windows are plentiful, and you'll see inside that does give a lot of natural light. Lots of handrails built all the way down, as well as deck cleats as well for easy mooring. And the cockpit roof there slides all the way back to here, so you can open up that centre cockpit area. So as we head down the side decks on Pebble Mills, you're going to notice that these are really easy to manoeuvre down. We've got handrails built all the way along the top there, and then a short break and handrails return again. The decks widen here at the front, and she's really easy to go from the stern all the way to the front, but also with that roof coming back, you can go from inside straight onto the side deck and up to the front to do ropes in a really nice condition. Externally, here we've got anchor winch for mudway and a cleat there at the front. That's electric as well, so you've got the deck push buttons to make the anchor go up and down. And again, heading down the side deck on this side, there's steps built on this port side internally, so you can walk straight up onto this side deck when that roof is removed. And then we've got folding windscreens just here as well. So we step in the aft door. On Pebble Mills, in the first place we find is the aft cabin. So you can see here we've got a very decent size offset double berth. There is plenty of storage built in. There's a locker just there and a head. Shelving built in as well, which is really handy to put phones and bits like that. But you'll also notice loads of natural light in this cabin. So you've got the door at the back with window, large window, and window to the side as well. Over on the starboard side, we find the ensuite to this cabin, and that features electric WC, shower, sink, and frosted glass there for privacy. To midships we find the second cabin. This also features an offset double berth, and again a really good sized berth. We've got 240 volt socket and a heater outlet. There's also a vanity unit and storage, as well as hanging locker on the opposite side. This mid cabin also features its own ensuite with electric WC, basin and shower there as well, and again frosted glass for privacy, but handy having another ensuite in here. In the very centre we find the cockpit and saloon. So over here on the port side we have our driving position. This has all of your instrumentation built in there, bow and stern thruster, so manoeuvring this gorgeous boat is going to be really easy. There's storage built in below the seat, and there you've got your sound system too. And these 3 steps actually lead up to the side deck when this roof is removed, to give you really easy access to do your ropes when you're mooring up. You've got an opening window there as well, so when you've got the roof up like it is right now, you can still let air in through this area. And then the galley just here. So we've got lots and lots of storage. We've got a twin stainless steel sink, large refrigerator, a double hob there at the back and your electrics panel. And then over here just to the left we find oven and grill and a microwave, but really well equipped for extended stays on board. And then your actual saloon seating is just here, and that gives loads of room to seat really comfortably in this gorgeous sunshine area. To head forward of the saloon now, and just on our way down I'll just show you here, we have the gauges, fuel and water tank. And as we head down, we find the final two cabins. So the first is here on the starboard side. This features another offset double berth. Again, a nice size berth there and plentiful storage. Two opening windows and lots of natural light into this cabin. And then we find the day heads. This also acts as an ensuite to these two cabins. This is on the port side. In here, we've got a manual flush WC, basin, and again, a shower. A slightly larger shower area in this cabin as this services the two cabins at the front. And then we find the final cabin at the very forward. This I would say would be your master cabin, as this one features the island double bed. So the island double bed means that you've got access around both sides of the berth there, which is really practical. You've got shelving units built in to both sides, reading lights there, as you can see at the back as well. We've got storage cupboard there and storage cupboard there, as well as TV mounted onto the wall there. There's also an escape hatch just above with blind, so you can block out the sun there, but you can open that up and get some more air into this cabin as well. Just to talk a little bit on spec on Pebble Mills, and the spec is plentiful. So not only do we have the bow and stern thruster, there is warm air heating and a generator as well. So you can spend a really nice, comfortable, extended stay on board this gorgeous boat. So that is our full tour on the Aquafibre Alpha 44 completed. As always, thank you for coming on this tour with me. If you have any comments or questions, get in touch. We'll come back to you as soon as possible. Please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, where we review all of our latest listings as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.